Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you how you can simply mute someone in BlueJeans. So let's start. When you're directly in a meeting and someone is speaking too loudly or whatever, what you want to do is just be in BlueJeans. Now just click here in people, and here next to the name you're gonna see mute and unmute, and so you can do this and you're not going to see him, right? Or see her. So yeah, just these two buttons are the things that you need to do. If you have any questions, ask me down below in the comments. So again, you go to people and just click here on mute and unmute, or you can simply mute all. So that's pretty much it, how we do it. And yeah. Goodbye.